Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana. If you're new to this channel is a wreath making channel. We use grapevine wreaths, we use Christmas wired wreaths, we also use a lot of florals in our wreaths, we use some ribbons and measured times. So with that, welcome and let's get this beauty started. Today we are making this easy spring wreath, spring Easter wreath, We are working with some beautiful tulips. Got these at the 99-cent store. Our little pancys, 99-cent store florals. And we got this. I think I got this at, I forgot, but this is some carrots. And we got this beautiful little butterfly. So that's it. Let's get this started, everybody. Okay, first things first is I am going to attach this carrots. I'm just getting forgetful, but hey. Okay, we got to get this going. There we go. We got this going right here. Then we are just going to work our beautiful tulips in here. Look at this. One pink one. Make sure on your tulips that they're, all good together. Some that are all. And I get another one over here. Ooh. Okay, we got that. Look at that. Now on this side, we're going to do the same. Going to bend it. Get another one over here. That. That. This one's kind of long. I think I'm going to switch this because there's a... Let me get my... I have my scissors and wire cutters going on. Let's cut this a little bit down, so make room for this one. Look at that, everybody. How beautiful, huh? I gotta get this one up. There. How's that? Better? Okay, then we're going to get our beautiful pancys. Just work them in there. Look at that. Let's get another one on this side. Look at that, everybody. How beautiful, yet simple to make. Ooh, let's get our little beautiful little butterfly in here. Watch this. On your project, you could use glue gun and extra wiring for support. And look at that, everybody. Ooh, so gorgeous. We got some tulips, some pansies, some cute little carrots. We got a butterfly. Wow. How's that, everybody? Thumbs up or just leave a comment or just say hello. Once again, everybody, if you enjoyed my video or got any ideas, consider pressing that subscribe button. It is free. You also get notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping my channel grow. And with that much, thank yous, everybody. I'm happy to be here with you guys today. We made a beautiful item. So until the next video, let's get that beautiful smile on. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.